Hello friends, I am Manoj. Welcome to Must Tech Maga. No time waste, no fake. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Friends, as we know that Oppo A53 is launched in India, I want to give clear picture on that. It will be available around 15,000 rupees. The phone has been given many great features such as triple camera, Snapdragon processor and a fingerprint sensor. Oh, really nice. It will come with a single variant, that is 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage. The available colors are gradient black and a fancy blue color. And it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 SoC processor, coming with the refresh rate 90 Hz, and this phone has a 6.5-inch HD Plus display. Talking about the OS, this phone works on ColorOS 7.2 based on Android 10. The triple rear camera setup has been given in the phone for self photography. It has 2 megapixel camera with 16 MP primary sensor. The phone has 16 MP front camera for a selfie. Connectivity options like 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 3.mm headphone jack and USB type with a C port has been given in this phone, which comes with a micro SD card support. Talking about the battery, you will get a strong battery of 5000 mAh. In my point of view, other phones also available with high features than this phone for around 15,000 rupees. So if you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon for more updates. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. We will meet in the next video, friends.